and what should be. So, human society is divided in 4 varnas, and human life is divided into 4 ashrams. Oh, okay. At the age of 50, okay, I extended it. At the age of 60, what? घर में रहना है, क्या करना है? At the age of 60, move into the temple, right? And it's happening, if not temple, in some places like in many of temples, they're moving close to the temple so that they can become engaged in. Many temples do not really have the facilities, but many of our devotees in places like UK, in London, they're moving close to Bhaktivedanta Manor. They're buying their houses and moving close to the temple so that they can become. So this is also a kind of Vanaprastha situation. So, okay, I'll go quickly through that. Prabhupada, time and time again, Prabhupada pointed out that if Varnashram is established, then there won't be any unemployment. Because in Varnashram system, everybody has his occupation. Brahmana, what is the occupation of a Brahmana? Brahmana's occupation is jajan, jajan, pathan, pathan, dan, pratigraha. Pathan, pathan. Brahmana's business is to study and teach. Then jajan and jajan. Perform sacrifice and also help others to perform sacrifice. Dan, give in charity and accept charity. These are the occupations of a Brahmana. And we are seeing that it is quite a nice occupation. Many of our devotees in the temples, what they do, they're householders, like they're just performing puja, performing sacrifice for others, and they get donations, and that's how they're maintaining themselves. Is Brijesh here? From Bombay? Okay. Here is an example. Stand up, Brijesh. So Brijesh lives in Bombay, a very expensive city. But how does Brijesh maintain himself? He does just yajna. Many people, many congregation members ask him to come and perform yajna, puja, shraddh, annaprashan, wedding, all kinds of, there's no dearth of Brahminical needs. And he is maintaining himself in that way. I mean, it's just one example that thought came to my mind. And many people are actually doing that. They're maintaining themselves. They don't have to go out and take a job. Then Kshatriyas, that job is difficult in today's democratic era. Because democracy doesn't allow one to become a king. The Kshatriya's business is to become a king. He goes, he creates his kingdom. Or wherever. Either he is a kingdom, either he is a king, or a jamindar, or things like that. They are Kshatriya's business. They have their army and they give protection to their subordinates. The Vaishyas, they run business. Main thing, they provide the need of the society. Like the society needs food. Vaishya is providing food through cultivation of land and protecting cows. And then Vaishya, Krishi, Goraksha, and Vanijya, trading, business. They go to some place, buy something there or collect something there, and bring it, sell it at a profit. And from here they take something and sell it there. That's the Vaishya's business. Buying and selling. Buy where it costs nothing and sell where it costs a lot. And he makes his profit. And those who cannot independently function, like all these three upper classes, they are independent in their occupation. Brahmana will never take up a job. He is independent. Kshatriyas will never take up a job. They are independent. Vaishyas will never take up a job. Only Sudras will depend upon others because they don't know how to maintain themselves. So, this is how the four classes of varnas of this is established. It was established by Krishna. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is saying, Chatur Varnang Maya Shrishta Guna Karma Vibhagasaha. Four varnas has been established or created by me, Maya Shrishta. But Guna Karma Vibhagasaha. According to the guna, modes of material nature, and according to one's propensity. According to the modes, influence of the modes, people develop different propensities. Like those who are in the mode of goodness, they like to study, they like to teach. There's the natural tendency. Those who are in the mode of passion, they are powerful, they like to fight, they like to enjoy. So it's mode of passion. So they have given their freedom. Okay, fine. If you want to enjoy, go ahead and enjoy. But while you are trying to enjoy, you have to give protection. Things that you are trying to enjoy, you have to be able to protect, otherwise somebody else will come and take them away from you. And it is authorized.